Hello, my name is James Gault. I am one of the vice presidents with AUPE and I represent the Northeast region. I'm here today to talk to you about mental health and bargaining as it comes towards our collective agreement and the way we're dealing with it within bargaining. As I've spoken to many people around the union, we hear that one thing, and that is that there's not enough support with your benefits and not enough support with mental health. And you're absolutely right. We have decided with your surveys to bring that forward to the table. Because you have an employer that disrespects you doesn't mean that you should be going with poor mental health and poor benefits at your workplace. Many members are working short. That added burden that you have, that added pressure that you have, and that's syncing with the responsibilities of others because your employer does not want to bring in extra help is not your fault, it's your employer's fault. And what we need to do is bring that to the bargaining table. Your mental health is important. And by working short, it's affecting your mental health. One of the other things are wages. You should have a livable wage, not only where you just live in Alberta, but you thrive. And your family shouldn't be worried if you can afford to eat or pay your bills on time. That is not your fault either. That is the fault of your employer who is adding stress to you and to your family. And I can tell you that your family also feels that burden from your employer. Burnout at work is costing us, and your employer doesn't care. He'll just find somebody else to come in and do the job. You need better benefits. You need mental health coverage. You need to be able to pick up the phone and call somebody. Now, your employer might say you don't need it, but we know that mental health is health care. And we're going to rally along with all the other members to make sure that you get the mental health coverage that you need, that you get the benefits that you need. We have town halls coming up, and they're going to be here in the middle of June, the end of June, across this province to talk about bargaining. You deserve to have better benefits. You deserve to have better mental health coverage. And just because your employer doesn't think so, doesn't make it right. We're going to have to fight for that. We're going to have to take it. Because mental health is health care.